Circulating hot water pump. First, just what is it? Okay, where is the water heater? Now go to the fixture furthest from the water heater and turn on the hot water. Eventually, the water will get hot, but all the water going down the drain before that happens is, well, water down the drain. So when the house was built, another pipe was installed that returns the water to the water heater. The circulating hot water pump pumps hot water around this loop, whether a faucet or a shower is turned on or not. So the hot water is already that much closer to the fixture. Your wait for hot water is a lot shorter and you save water. So if the house has a circulating hot water pump, take a look at it. It should be right there with the hot water heater. Does the pump leak? Does the motor or pump make grinding noises, which could mean an imminent failure? The pump runs on electricity. Is the pump plugged in safely? How close is the outlet? Make sure the pump not only works, make sure it's effective. Go to that fixture furthest from the water heater and turn on the hot water. How long does it take hot water to reach the faucet? Now there is a trade-off. You save money because less water goes down the drain. On the other hand, the hot water runs around the house through pipes that may not be insulated. Out of the tank, the water will cool off. So you're going to pay not only to heat the water more, but also to run the pump that makes you need to heat the water more. Is it worth it? How much you save or not save depends on the energy costs and the cost of the water in your area. There may not be any savings at all. It may boil down to simply a matter of convenience. You don't have to wait as long at the sink or shower for hot water to show up. Again, that return loop was plumbed into the house when it was built, but you may run into a smaller circulating pump that's available at home improvement stores. The pump itself installs above the water heater. A water transfer coupler is installed at the sink fixture furthest from the water heater, and the regular cold water pipe becomes the return loop to the water heater. The pump has a built-in timer. You set the timer to run for as long or as little as you want to have hot water pumped throughout the house. If you run into one of these pumps, check the timer to see if it's keeping accurate time. If it's not already running, turn the pump on long enough to hear it operate. You should not hear any whining or grinding noises. Of course, you should not see any leaks. The pump runs on electricity. There may or may not be a convenient outlet depending on where the hot water heater was installed. So make sure the pump is not plugged into some flimsy extension cord.
I've got a lot more great stuff for you at houseiq.information. If you like what you've seen so far, do me a favor and tap the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. And click the link to watch some more great stuff right now.